Hello everyone, and today I'll be explaining to you the new Unity plan pricing and packaging up. That's a new update that has been made by Unity and it is related for the pricing and the plan you are using. And today I'll be helping explain and make it more clear. First thing of all, we can see that this will be effective on January 1st, 2024, and it will be effective on all users using Unity. Now this will introduce the Unity runtime fee. Now the Unity runtime is actually what's running your game. When you build your game, there is something that need to run the game, and this is the Unity run. Now the Unity runtime fee actually need two rules to be met for you to be qualified. One, your game has to pass a minimum revenue threshold in the last 12 months, and the game has to pass a minimum lifetime install count. Now this will depend on your plan, and here they are saying the game, not the studio. So probably not all your revenue count, but revenue count from this game. Meaning if one game gets success, you are paying a fee for that game. If your second game didn't success, then most of the time you're not going to pay a fee for it. As you can see here in Unity Personal and Unity Plus, you have to make above a 200k in the last 12 months and at least a 200k install count during a lifetime. And as I said, both of them should be met for you to be qualified. If one of them has met and the second one did not, then you are not qualified for this fee. And for Unity Pro and Enterprise, those have to be above 1 million USD in the last 12 months and a 1 million install lifetime. Now, as we can see here, there are discounts that Unity made for their fee. Now, this table here explains everything well for us. If you are using Unity Personal and Plus, you need to meet those two rules. And for each install, you need to pay 0.20 cent per install. As if you are using Unity Pro, first you're going to pay a 0.50 cent. Then the more install you're getting, the fee is getting reduced, and so on until you get for 1 million count, and then the latest you'll get is 0.01 per install. Will be the fee if your install count get higher than the 1 million. As for Unity Enterprise, this will be start at 0.125 cent and going to this number. Now here, as they explained, there will be a reduction in the fee if you are actually using Unity service, set as Unity Gaming Service or Unity Level Play or the Unity mobile ad support. Now how much it will reduce your fee, there is no mention here. It's only said that you need to actually reach out the account manager. And here they explain the new service and tool. Those are new services and tool Unity is actually introducing, which I'm not going to talk about actually. Our main idea is this. Now how much this will affect us, actually it will affect all Unity users, and really this is all what we know about, and it's not that big of a deal. Now it is count for every install of your game because they are mentioning per install, not per purchase. So if someone buy your game and install it, you will have to pay the fee once. But if for some reason the same user reinstall your game or install it again, you'll probably have to pay the fee again. This is not well explained here. If a user did reinstall your game, does this count or not? This is not well explained here. And what about piracy? You know that there are a lot of pirate websites. What if someone that pirated your game and installed it on his device? Do you have to pay the fee? Well, we don't know and we are not certain. Of course, their Unity are working on an anti-piracy stuff and anti-fraud, so they can detect if this is eligible or not. Is it actually legal or illegal? They didn't mention that again. And for the third concern, since they are going to track it per install, that means that they need to know when a user did install your game. So there is some kind of tracking. Now there is no mention if the user require an internet connection or it does not, but as far as I know, this will not break your game. For example, if the end user didn't have an internet connection and install and run your game, considering your game is actually offline and he used the install later, this will not break his game. The game will run completely smooth, nothing will happen. Of course, this, as far as I know, this need more explanation, and this is everything we need to know about it. So I hope I explained things well, and I hope you enjoyed this video and I would like to see you next time.